Welcome to Riha craft. Today I decided to show you different beautiful photo frame with ice stick. Let's see what we will need. Some ice stick, beads, paper quilling tool, scissor, heat gun, glue, A4 paper. I took 4 colors of A4 paper, blue, yellow, red and green, and also mini paper shredder machine. First take a A4 paper and fold it. Then insert the machine. If we cut, it's at that size. We have to cut all. Now we cut the all A4 papers. Now we are ready to make a flower. Take one paper and take a tool. Insert the paper in tool. Then roll it. Roll, then loose it little. We roll, then loose it little, then try to fold it. Add some glue. If you don't have a paper quilling tool, you can roll it in hand. Each flower we have to make 5 pieces. Take a 5 piece. Add some glue. Take a 1 piece, add some glue and try to fix it other one. We made the 3 color flowers. Now we are ready to put the bead in center. Add some glue. And put the beads in center. Flowers are ready. Now we have to make a frame with a stick. Take a 6 piece of ice stick. And put it 6 one by one. Then take other 2 stick. Try to put glue and stick up. Take the heat gun. Add some glue. Take other one. Take other stick. Take other stick. Take more glue stick. Try to stick up and down. Our photo frame is ready now. Now we are ready to make some decor. We are ready to put the flowers in frame. Take some glue. We put the flowers in frame. Now we have to some ribbon. Take a small piece ribbon and try to fix it in other side because we can hold it anywhere. Take a ribbon, fold it. Take a heat gun, put some glue in center and put the ribbon. Put it more glue in ribbon. Try to cross it. We made a photo frame. Now we try to add any photos if you like. You can add it inside. We finished the photo frame now. Thank you for watching. See you soon with my new craft. Please subscribe, share, like. Don't forget to press the bell button.